Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure you have the right permissions. Manage roles and manage server. Next, invite Carl bot to your server and place its role above the roles it will assign, because Discord enforces role hierarchy. Once done, enable any required intents or gateway options in Carl bot's dashboard for advanced role automation. You do this now so the bot can create, edit, and assign roles without permission errors. Make sure the bot is online before proceeding to command setup. You now create the role reaction mapping. Use the in-chat command. Reaction role create or open Carl bot's dashboard, select the message, pick an emoji, and choose the target role. Decide if users get a single role or multiple roles and whether removing the reaction should remove the role. This controls user experience. Once configured, post the message in a test channel and react, because confirming emoji and role matching prevents confusion. If you need timed roles, set durations or use role commands tied to persistent data. You finish by managing mappings and verifying behavior. Use reaction role remove or the dashboard to edit or delete mappings and monitor logs to audit changes. If roles aren't applying, check the bot's role position first. Discord blocks changes if the bot is below the target role, and then inspect channel-specific permission overrides. If problems persist, test with an alternate account and read Carl bot's error messages in logs. Fix permission gaps and reapply the mapping. That single check usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.